Are you making your own cleaning solution? Steve here with the Janitorial Store. Say, I often see this on Facebook. People will be talking about, the concoctions that they make, I think, we had did a little video on this before, but I just wanted to, do another one because it's such an important topic. And I see that discussion, and people talking primarily on the residential side, of talking about, what they're using to mix up a concoction to use for cleaning or whatever it might be, and some of the things that I see are just outright scary, that they're mixing this stuff together. The whole thing is that we should not be making our own cleaning solution. Just not a good idea. The reason why is, first of all, do you have an SDS sheet for it, a safety data sheet? So here you made this concoction. Do you have a safety data sheet for it, for when somebody gets it in their eye or they get, somehow get exposed to it? Well, if you don't, well then hopefully you got a good attorney, because you're probably going to be having a lawsuit. So that's the primary reason why you don't want to be making your own cleaning solution. The other thing is that it's very, very clear that OSHA states that if you use a cleaning product, such as a homeowner, let's say when I'm cleaning my home, I'm using a cleaning product, and and I'm probably using it once a week or once every couple of weeks or something like that. Well, when I have a house cleaning or a residential cleaning service, I'm cleaning multiple homes every day, 3, 5, 4 homes a day. And that's really where the difference lies. When you're using the product in a manner that is reflective as you being a cleaning contractor, that changes the rules. Now you have to have an SDS sheet, you have to have properly labeled bottles, and all those things like that. So keep that in mind, because if you don't have a properly labeled bottle, that's a fine there just alone. If you don't have your bottles properly labeled. And like I said, the thing is that when you're mixing these concoctions and somebody were to get hurt, an employee, let's say they decided they didn't wear safety glasses and they splashed whatever it was that got in their eyes. Well, and especially if they have to go to the hospital or whatever, somebody's going to ask them, well, what'd you splash in your eye? Well, a cleaning solution. Well, what was it? Well, geez, I don't know. It was they mix it all together. It's whatever, But that's the whole thing, is because your SDS sheet actually lays out exactly what you have to do for your safety standards, and if you were to have an accident where it's splashed in your eyes, how to handle that. Flush it for 5 minutes with water or whatever it is. Well, when you mix your own solutions, you don't have all those guidelines or the SDS or anything in place. So, you're just setting yourself up for a lawsuit, you really are. I just suggest don't do it, just buy products that are pre-mixed, from an actual manufacturer. The products are made for specific cleaning purposes, and so you may have 2 or 3 different products that you'll need in order to provide your cleaning service. But it's better than taking some baking soda or whatever it is and mixing this, that, and the other, and saying, oh boy, this stuff really works great, without knowing what the hazards are, what could happen if somebody were to get it in their eye or ingest it or whatever. It's just not worth it. To me, it's just not worth it. Especially when your cleaning chemicals only cost you pennies to the dollar anyway. So why even go that route to not be safe? So anyway, that's my 2 cents on this. So if you are mixing your own cleaning solutions, think twice about it. Make sure you got your SDS sheets. Make sure you got proper labeling. If you don't have those things, you're going to have trouble. Just plain and simple. So hopefully you got some good information from this. And if you did, go ahead and leave a like. And as usual, if you have not subscribed already, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. And let's keep it clean out there.